Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Play Plus. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that will let you stream different shows, just like Netflix. And as you can see, we have it here on Apple Store, and it cannot be found here on Google Play Store. And maybe it's because they're only rated 1.7 out of 5 stars here on Apple Play. So not in US available, warning, only works in Brazil, and a lot more. So you actually pay to a subscription to get this stream, and then it does turn out to only be available in Brazil. So as you can see, it's in a different language. It's not in English at all. So as you can see, these are the shows that they claim to stream. And let's look over an iPad, which the ratings are the same. So please guys, I would advise you to use other streaming services just like Netflix, which are more accessible and more legit than this one. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.